All right, so this is the Google Ads interface here. So when we create our campaigns, you'll see campaign types here. We're going to be creating a shopping campaign. And then here, campaigns and ad groups, those are the two levels that you want to see. And then when we also create our shopping campaign, there'll be a third level here called product groups. So you want to go into campaigns, right? And under here, when we create a new campaign, your campaign will show up here. And much like running Facebook ads, for those who've run before, this is the date period here. So you can look back like last 14 days, last 30 days, and it will bring up a graph here. And on this graph, you can choose different metrics. Like if you want to look at conversions, so we've got conversions up here, cost per conversion, which is good to look at. Conversion value, which is revenue, which is also good to look at. And ROAS, which is down here. So conversion value over cost. So those are the main ones I look at when I'm looking at past performance. And then you've also got some secondary metrics up here like clicks, CTR, impressions. So you can choose whatever you want here. So one thing we have to do on the campaign level, the ad group level, and also the product group level when we run shopping is we need to set up custom columns, right? So I've got some columns that I generally look at, and I recommend you go ahead and add these columns too. So first we'll add them on the campaign level. So we're on campaigns here. So now we want to go to columns. We want to go modify columns. And then we want to select, I'm just going to add these all in. I'm going to speed up this video for adding them in, and then I'll show you. So we want cost, drag this up to first. I want average CPC second, impressions, clicks, CTR, conversions, and then I want to add in ROAS here. So go to all conversion value over cost. I want to get rid of campaign type, move conversion rate up here. And then we also want some competitive metrics as well. So we want to put search lost is search impression share, and search lost is rank. So what these three things mean, I'll explain them. So search lost IS budget is basically how many impressions you've lost due to the budget that you have. Search impression share is how many impressions you've received compared to the number of impressions you could have potentially received. And search lost is rank, is basically how many times your ad didn't show because of poor ad rank. So your ad rank is due to a lot of factors to do with like click-through rate, campaign history, page load time, and relevance. And there's some other factors there. So you can control this and you can optimize this. So yeah, so this is what we want for our campaign columns. So we want to go save your column set. You save it as whatever, your name, save it as Tris. Go save and apply. And then what we want to do is we've now created those columns for the campaign level, so you can see them all here, but now we want to create them for the ad group level as well. So we want to go columns again, modify columns. I'm just going to do the same thing here. So I actually just took a screenshot of the campaign level columns. So we go pull up cost at the top, average CPC, impressions, clicks, conversions, conversion rate, cost per conversion. And we're going to go competitive metrics. So on the ad group level, you'll notice that search lost is budget isn't here. That's because the budget is set at the campaign level, right? The budget isn't set at the ad group level. So we just want to go search impression share, and search lost is rank, right? And we'll go save again. Save it again as Tris. And because I don't have a shopping campaign set up yet, there is actually another level here when we start running shopping campaigns, which will be product groups. So once you start running Google Shopping campaign, then click on product groups level here and set up your columns on the product group level as well. All right, cool. So that is it.